In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale objects with reference in AutoCAD for precise and accurate resizing. This method is extremely useful when you know the current length of an object and want to resize it to match a specific dimension. Start by selecting the object or objects you want to scale. Once selected, type scale into the command line or use the shortcut SC, then press enter. Next, choose a base point. This point acts as the anchor for the scaling operation, so select a location that makes sense for your drawing. After choosing the base point, instead of entering a scale factor, type R for reference and press enter. AutoCAD will now ask you to define the current reference length. Select 2 points that represent the existing length you want to use as a reference. Once that's done, enter the new desired length or pick 2 points that represent the target size. AutoCAD will automatically resize the selected objects to match that new dimension while maintaining their proportions. This technique is perfect for correcting imported drawings, resizing plans, or matching objects to known dimensions without manually calculating scale factors. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.